What if I told you that your backyard could automatically light up with custom colors every time you walk outside, all while paying zero electricity bills? Smart solar-powered outdoor lights now harness sunlight during the day and create stunning illuminated retreats at night. The best part? No wiring, no electrician, and no monthly costs. But there's one critical feature most people overlook that determines whether your lights will work reliably for years or fail within months. This foundation of energy independence opens up possibilities for advanced smart features that would be impossible with traditional wiring. Solar systems can power sophisticated electronics like motion sensors, wireless communication modules, and color-changing LED arrays without increasing installation complexity or operational costs. The modular nature of solar power makes it easy to expand lighting systems or relocate fixtures as landscaping and usage patterns change over time. Wireless connectivity becomes practical when you don't need to run data cables alongside power lines to each fixture location. Solar lights can incorporate Wi-Fi modules, Bluetooth connectivity, and mesh networking capabilities that would require expensive additional wiring in traditional systems. This wireless freedom enables remote control, scheduling, and automation features that transform basic outdoor lighting into comprehensive smart home systems. Color-changing lights seem like a fun novelty, but they solve practical problems you never realized you had. Most homeowners install outdoor lighting without considering how different colors affect vision, wildlife, and the usability of their outdoor spaces for various activities. White light works for basic illumination, but different activities and times require different lighting approaches. Standard white LED fixtures produce harsh, blue-rich light that serves general purposes but creates significant limitations for specific outdoor activities. Evening entertaining requires softer, warmer tones that encourage conversation and relaxation, while security applications benefit from bright, cool white light that clearly reveals details and potential threats. Gardening and maintenance tasks need focused illumination that doesn't strain your eyes during extended periods of close work. The one-size-fits-all approach of fixed white lighting forces you to accept compromises that reduce the effectiveness and enjoyment of your outdoor spaces. Bright white security lighting ruins romantic dinners on the patio, while dim ambient lighting fails to provide adequate visibility for practical tasks like grilling or reading outdoor thermometers. Many people dismiss color features as gimmicky without understanding their functional benefits. The perception that colored lighting serves only decorative purposes stems from exposure to cheap novelty lights that prioritize flashy effects over practical applications. Accent lighting transforms ordinary landscaping into architectural masterpieces, but one common mistake ruins the entire effect. This single error destroys thousands of dollars worth of carefully planned lighting installations and turns dramatic outdoor features into flat, lifeless displays that look worse than no lighting at all. Flat, uniform lighting makes outdoor spaces feel boring and two-dimensional, wasting the potential of existing landscaping that could become stunning focal points with proper illumination techniques. When every surface receives the same intensity and angle of light, the natural textures, depths, and contours that make landscaping interesting disappear completely. Trees lose their three-dimensional form and become flat silhouettes against walls or fences. Stone retaining walls appear smooth and featureless instead of revealing the natural texture variations that make them visually compelling. This uniform approach eliminates the interplay between light and shadow that creates visual depth and emotional response in outdoor spaces. Without contrasting light levels, your eye has no guidance about where to look or which features deserve attention. The result resembles a floodlit parking lot rather than carefully designed residential landscaping that should invite exploration and create memorable impressions. Existing landscaping investments lose their impact when lighting fails to emphasize the qualities that made them worth installing in the first place. Expensive specimen trees, custom stonework, and architectural water features become invisible background elements rather than prominent design features that enhance property value and aesthetic appeal. Most people aim lights directly at features from eye level, creating harsh shadows and washing out textures that should be highlighted rather than eliminated. Smart string lights create magical outdoor environments, but they also solve the biggest problem with traditional string lighting that has frustrated homeowners for decades: The transformation from basic decorative lighting to intelligent atmosphere control represents one of the most significant advances in outdoor lighting technology, addressing fundamental reliability issues while adding capabilities that were impossible just a few years ago. Traditional string lights create beautiful ambiance but require manual control and often suffer from bulb failures that ruin entire sections, turning what should be effortless decoration into ongoing maintenance headaches. Classic incandescent string lights use series wiring where electrical current flows through each bulb to reach the next one in the chain. When any single bulb burns out or becomes loose in its socket, the entire section downstream loses power and goes dark. This cascading failure effect means one defective 25-cent bulb can eliminate illumination from 20 or 30 subsequent bulbs in the same string. The problem compounds during outdoor use because weather exposure accelerates bulb failures through moisture infiltration, temperature cycling, and vibration from wind movement. Rainwater can seep into loose sockets and create corrosion that prevents proper electrical contact, while temperature changes cause expansion and contraction that loosens connections over time. A single string of traditional lights might experience multiple bulb failures throughout a season, requiring constant monitoring and replacement to maintain consistent illumination. Replacement becomes particularly frustrating because identifying failed bulbs often requires testing each one individually, especially when multiple failures occur simultaneously. Smart outdoor lighting transforms backyards from simple outdoor spaces into dynamic environments that adapt to your lifestyle, provide security, and create lasting memories with family and friends. These systems respond automatically to changing conditions while maintaining the perfect atmosphere for every occasion. Start with solar-powered pathway lights for immediate safety benefits, then add accent and string lighting as you discover how smart features enhance your outdoor living experience. This gradual approach lets you learn which zones benefit most from intelligent illumination before committing to comprehensive installations. The initial investment pays for itself through eliminated electrical costs, increased home value, and peace of mind from secure outdoor environments.